In this video, you will witness a comprehensive UAV defense system. This is an integrated management and control platform designed to offer a one-stop solution for UAV monitoring and management. Now, we will demonstrate the system across 8 aspects: software startup and login, device control, device management, log queries and data statistics, trajectory playback, strategy management, system settings, and user management, each in turn. First, let's begin with the software startup and login process. As observed, the user interface is streamlined and user-friendly, with support for password memory and automatic login features, ensuring convenience and speed. Upon entering the system, the first section you encounter is the device control module. As you can see on the left, there is a detection list for UAVs, while on the right, there is a list of devices. Currently, no UAVs have been detected in the list. In the device list on the right, there is a GNSS spoofer. Clicking on this device takes you to the device information interface, which includes the device status, signal status, GPS satellites count, GLS satellites count, and BDS satellites count. The controls primarily consist of power on-off, module selection control, featuring defense and dispersion modes, in addition to a signal switch control. A second click on the information interface will collapse it back. Next up is device management, a robust subsystem supporting a variety of detection and countermeasure devices. For instance, detection devices include radar, spectrum analyzers, and optoelectronics, while countermeasure devices comprise navigation spoofing, jamming suppression, microwaves, and lasers. Within the device management interface, new devices can be added, their connection methods configured, and devices can be enabled or disabled. Once a device is enabled, it appears in the device control interface's device list. Let's now add a new radar, for example, Radar A, selecting UDP as the connection method. Please note, different devices have their own specific connection methods. The Radar A we are currently connecting uses a UDP connection, requiring the device's IP and port number, followed by the local IP and port number. Upon proceeding to the next step, you're presented with the device's latitude and longitude. Simply click Confirm. At this point, you'll notice a green indicator light on the left, signifying the device is successfully connected. Upon activating this device and returning to the device control interface, you will observe Radar A commencing its scanning operation. Consequently, a UAV appears in the drone list, detected by Radar A. Clicking on this list, in conjunction with other detection devices, allows you to view basic information about the UAV, including its type, frequency, distance, the distance from the controller, and the controller's location information. The system offers log querying and data statistics capabilities, aiding in the effortless management and review of historical operations and events, and providing an intuitive analysis of UAV intrusion types and frequencies. You have the option to select a start and end time for your query. For instance, from March 12, 2024, at 19 o'clock to March 19, 2024, at 19 o'clock. Upon querying, we can view detection information for 11 UAVs, including their ID, type, duration of intrusion, start and end time of the intrusion, and their frequencies. The data module provides statistical analysis. A pie chart on the left displays the distribution of UAV intrusion types and counts, offering a clear view of the number of UAV intrusions within the queried time frame. We can also categorize by UAV model, with each model's proportion of total intrusions represented in percentages. The line graph shows the daily count of UAV intrusions over the most recent week. Next, we explore the trajectory playback function. On the left is a list of UAVs, and clicking the button on the right brings up an interactive interface. Here, you can select the desired start and end times and click OK to initiate the query. Please note that the start time cannot be the same as the end time. For instance, If we choose the start time as March 12th, upon querying, we observe detection information for 11 UAVs. Opting to play back the first listed UAV, its information briefly appears on the left, but quickly vanishes as the UAV's trajectory moves swiftly. Let's select another, with a longer intrusion duration. By clicking on a UAV on the map, you can see the UAV's ID, flight speed, distance, and latitude and longitude. As demonstrated, this is the Invasion Playback module, featuring pause, fast-forward, and slow-motion functions. The Strategy Management module primarily provides automated unmanned solutions, enabling you to configure the necessary strategies for your devices, such as automatic engagement, toggling countermeasure devices on or off, and actively choosing modes of action. For instance, if you have a detection device and a countermeasure device, you could set the following strategy. Automatically activate the countermeasure device when the detection device identifies a UAV, and then automatically shut down the device upon successful counteraction, achieving a fully automated operation of the unmanned equipment. Let's proceed to add this strategy, noting that failing to name this strategy will result in an error. Therefore, it is essential to assign a name. By clicking OK, we finalize our newly added management strategy, with the detection device being Radar A and the countermeasure device being Spoofer A. The System Settings module allows users to flexibly adjust various settings, such as alarms, language, and location, according to the actual scene requirements, making the software more aligned with your usage environment. As seen here, there are detailed system settings available, which can be flexibly adjusted according to on-site needs. For instance, in alarm settings, when a UAV is detected, you can decide whether an alarm should be sounded, with a simple on-off toggle. Similarly, there's an option for screen flashing upon UAV detection. Secondly, there's a feature to clear cache data. Thirdly, location settings enable the activation of location services, focusing on duration, real-time latitude and longitude, and locked positions. Fourthly, language settings are provided, supporting English and other languages. You can communicate your preference with your dedicated account manager. Fifthly, log settings offer 5 levels of log severity. Below, you can choose the duration for log retention. In the Startup Settings section, options for automatic system boot and login are available. At the bottom is the Device Settings option, allowing control over multiple devices. Lastly, our User Management module offers system administrators powerful tools for user rights and security management, ensuring the system's secure and stable operation. Users can be added independently, with account passwords set up accordingly. For instance, after adding a user and setting the account password, clicking Confirm effectively registers the new user. As demonstrated, this module allows for user queries, password modifications, and, if necessary, user deletion. This concludes our demonstration video of the UAV defense system, which integrates advanced technologies and user-centric designs to offer a comprehensive, efficient, and convenient solution for UAV monitoring and management. Thanks for your watching.